Genesis 8:6-12. Noah sends out the birds. Verse 6 begins with a crucial transition. At the end of 40 days, Noah opened the window of the ark that he had made. This marks a shift in Noah's journey from passive waiting to active discernment. Even though the ark had safely rested on the mountains of Ararat, Noah couldn't see the ground yet. First, he sends out a raven in verse 7, which flies back and forth until the waters dry up. In biblical theology, the raven, a scavenger, could survive by resting on floating debris and feeding on the remnants of the old world. It represents a lingering connection to the past cycle of judgment, the dove and progressive restoration. We see a beautiful contrast in verses 8-12 with the sending of the dove, the first flight. Verses 8-9. Noah sends the dove to see if the water has subsided, but she finds no place to rest her foot and returns. Notice Noah's tenderness here. He reaches out his hand, takes her, and brings her back into the safety of the ark. He doesn't force the new season before it's time. This time, the dove returns in the evening with a freshly plucked olive leaf in her beak. In biblical imagery, this is the ultimate symbol of peace, reconciliation, and new life emerging from the cleansing waters. The final flight. Verse 12. After waiting one more week, Noah sends the dove out a third time, and she does not return. The earth is finally ready to sustain life again. What is our modern take for today? Many of us find ourselves in the waiting room of faith. The worst of your storm may have passed. The chaotic waters have stopped rising, yet you still feel confined inside your ark. You are waiting for the ground to dry. In these seasons, we must emulate Noah's active patience. Don't be discouraged if your first attempts to step out return empty-handed. If you look closely, God will send you an olive leaf moment, a small breakthrough, a moment of peace, or an unexpected sign of grace to let you know that life is growing again beneath the surface. Trust the process and trust the timing. Let us close in prayer. Hit subscribe and we'll see you in the next verse. Lord, give us the patience of Noah during our seasons of waiting. When the storm has ceased, but we still cannot see the shore, give us the discernment to test the waters and the faith to wait on your perfect timing. Thank you for the olive leaf moments of hope you send to remind us that new life is on the horizon. Guide our steps today. Amen.